Kamal Babu Singh, a resident of Assam from Cachar district, has been missing from an army cantonment in Manipur since 25th November 2024. Army Cantonment Army Regiment, known for its tight security, has no clue about of someone missing from its cantonment area, from its regiment. Each and every details of anybody coming in and going outside are registered. In and out reports are available every day, but no one has clue about Kamal Babu, who has been working in that particular regiment for the last 20 years, who has been working in that particular cantonment for the last 20 years. Colonel, Brigadier, Major General, Lieutenant General, they don't know Kamal Babu's whereabouts. So surprising. It's a pleasant surprise. And if your son and if your any of your family members is planning to work in an army regiment, is planning to work in an army cantonment, think twice, because there is a question of your life security. Kamal Babu's wife and kid, they are crying every day and night, but no reply from army, no reply from state government, and no reply from Chief Minister of Assam. Kamal Babu is from Assam, so Chief Minister of Assam is also responsible to look into this matter. But when Chief Minister of Assam visited Kasar district, people ask what action you have done about Kamal Babu's missing in Manipur from an army cantonment. And do you know the reply from Chief Minister of Assam? Moi hunisu. Moi hunisu means how many sunai? Such a big reply. Come on. A person, a citizen of your state has been missing, and your answer comes like this. Moi hunisu. It's a shame for all the citizens of Assam state. Being a chief minister of Assam, you're responsible, it is your big responsible to find out, to look into this matter and find out Kamal Babu's whereabouts as soon as possible. Your answer, Moi Hunisu, is not satisfactory. I have no words what to say about this statement you have given. Anyway, those who are watching this video, kindly share this video, because your husband, if you are a woman watching this video, one day your husband goes missing all of a sudden and you do not have any clue, and your husband has stopped contacting you, what you will feel. If today I am all of a sudden I go missing, and what will happen to my wife? I have stopped contacting my wife, and my wife doesn't know about my whereabouts. What kind of feel you will have? What kind of feel my wife will have? Think about it. If you have this much of sensibility, please share this video and let's make it a collaborate approach to the state government, to the army, to central government, to make sure we know about Kamal Babu's whereabouts as soon as possible. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.